Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of play-to-earn gaming. As the blockchain gaming landscape evolves, certain titles are emerging as frontrunners for 2025. So, let's explore the top 3 play-to-earn games that hold incredible potential for earnings this year. Coming in at number 3 is the Sandbox. This immersive virtual world allows players to create, own, and monetize their gaming experiences. In the Sandbox, you can buy virtual land, develop games, and trade unique assets, all while earning cryptocurrency. With its user-friendly design and extensive partnerships with brands and creators, the Sandbox fosters a vibrant community. Its regular updates and events keep players engaged, making it a fantastic platform for both gamers and creators alike. Whether you're developing a game or exploring other players' creations, the earning potential here is substantial. At number 2, we have the beloved Axie Infinity. This game has been a pioneer in the play-to-earn model and continues to innovate. Players can breed, raise, and battle cute creatures known as Axies. What sets Axie Infinity apart is its robust ecosystem, where you can earn tokens through various gameplay modes, including battles and quests. The community-driven approach and constant updates have maintained its popularity. As it continues to expand, Axie Infinity remains a strong contender for those looking to earn while having fun. And finally, taking the top spot is Illuvium. This open-world RPG offers a breathtaking experience as players explore vast landscapes and capture unique creatures called Illuvials. Illuvium stands out not only for its stunning graphics but also for its deep gameplay mechanics. Players can earn rewards through capturing, battling, and trading these creatures. The game is designed to attract both casual and competitive players, making it a versatile choice for earning. With its strong development team and a growing community, Illuvium is poised to dominate the play-to-earn scene in 2025. That's it for today's video. Make sure to let us know in the comments which play-to-earn game you're most excited about, and if you think we missed any contenders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on the latest in crypto and gaming. Thanks for watching Crypto Chronicles, and we'll see you in the next video.